Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to troubleshoot a Fogatti tankless water heater. Common problem and fast solution. Fix one is reset the water heater. Turn off the water heater, then unplug the switch or the circuit breaker, then wait 5 minutes. Restore power and turn the unit back on. Test the hot water. Second one is check for the power supply. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged in, then check if the circuit breaker is tripped. Reset the breaker if needed, then verify the outlet has power using another device. Third one is verify the gas supply. Ensure the gas shut-off valve is fully open, then confirm other gas appliances are working. If using propane, check that the tank isn't empty. Restart the heater after restoring gas. Fourth one is increase water flow. Fully open the hot water bucket, then clean bucket radiators if they are clogged. Check the inlet water filter and rinse away debris, then test the heater again. Fifth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the supply water, then remove the inlet filter. Wash it under running water, then reinstall the filter securely. Turn the water back on. Thanks for watching.